My country people, now welcome back to my channel today. Ahneeka of the double wahala season don't come out to come drag Phyna over her fight with Multichoice, and Phyna don't respond as usual. And also Doyin and fans don't fight scatter for online after certain fans come out to come beg Doyin for money, and Doyin come rain insults on them. And lastly, Neo don't finally come out to come prophesy e love publicly for Beauty to Kura. So as we all know, Beauty and Neo, their relationship start before the house, before he enter Big Brother Naija All Stars. And when he come out, now they come dey show us say they really dey in a relationship. When Neo dey inside the house, he actually dey deny the thing, but as they come out from the house, the relationship come kick off fully. So Neo come out today to come drop love quote for Beauty. Una go just read the thing for the screen because I no fit play the video and put the voiceover because of the piano sound wey dey copyrighted. So as im dey tok dis one wey be say im dey tok, fans dey drag am because according to dem, Neo is not a serious minded person. All of a sudden im dey do lovey with Beauty for online. So the first person here say, oh, just shut it abeg, after denying her like a plague and frolicking with every lady that comes your way, come hiss love call, love me, come put 2 laughing emoji. The thing looks ridiculous even from the way im dey talk. You go not say this person na joker. Another one come say, Groovy can't give Beauty this genuine love. Neo is the man. Come clap. Neo shippers button. So for una mind now, Neo really love Beauty. Hey God, that be smart, you know. So another person come say, theatrics and Shakespeare. We saw these actors' true mentality on BBN, trying to recite poems for us. Last person here say, why won't you value her for being in your life? Now only her fit take the rubbish poto where you rub for her face because she no get level and self-worth. Till today, I still not believe to say Beauty actually dates person like Neo, but God is her strength. So unto Doyin matter, Doyin few hours ago, she and her fans they do ask me a question for Snapchat, and the questions wey be say they ask her come make Doyin turn against them. So the first person here come ask her for help. He come say, hello, I'm a single mom in need. Please, can you help me with anything? Thank you. And so Doyin come answer and say, no, go ask your baby daddy. Another one come say, Doyin babes, come put laughing emoji. What is happening, my love? Come say, they beg too effing much. Come on now, give it a break. As much as I not like the way some people they beg, Doyin on the other hand, you don't come and come beg your fans before say may they support you for the show where be say you won't go, may they fight for you for the reunion that time for level up season. So all of them are still begging if you check and wait. Person come advise her, she dey insult the people wey beg her. The person come say, you know, if you cannot help these people, you not replying them won't take anything instead of posting it. She come say, shut up. The last person I come say, watch them say you are not a good person. Now come put laughing emoji. Come say, because you turn them down, I love you regardless and thanks for always. Now so Doyin come respond, because I'm actually a very bad person. Let's all come to the conclusion that I'm the wash. After that, what next? And so fans for comment section tear Doyin apart too. So the first person here can say, laugh out loud, abeg carry your bad character go front, must you insult them? Another one say, you can choose not to reply them, being rude is not a flex. The next one say, how many people you don't help? Up laughing emoji. Person can respond to that person, can say, how many people don't help her? I don't even like Doyin, but most you people beg. The entitlement shinks. The truth be say, this year reunion where go come out, where go start next month, will be June. I believe to say na Venita go suffer for Doyin hand, because Adekunle don suffer for level up season where she destroyed the boy with her mouth. Now na Venita na go suffer am, because the way Doyin take insult Venita before she even come up for the house, I know say the reunion e go give Venita smackdown. Venita and her fans, unicorns, abi wetin they call them, they need to buckle up, because Doyin not ready for that girl, because her mouth go too bad for Venita. So onto Phyna matter and Ahneeka, she come out for the podcast where be say they do her, she dey air her opinion about the fight where be say so between Phyna and Multichoice. According to her, she say Phyna not supposed call out Multichoice for the things where be say she talk say Multichoice dey owe her. Say as a matter of fact, Multichoice no owe any of them anything. Say that thing na entitlement mentality. Una lis ten to wetin she talk for herself.
So the thing about Phyna is, and the thing that happens when you come out the house and you have one out of nowhere from 200 followers, you have thousands and millions of people now licking your behind, basically, you think you're invincible. No, it's natural. It happens to everybody. It takes thought and management to be like, listen, you go still need to hustle. If truly they are owing her money, and that could be a possibility because it's their money and there's a job, it's still a job at the end of the day. She needed to have found an inner, maybe she has, I don't know. Maybe she had gone for inner counsel, tried to do a civil discourse and all that, and it didn't work out. And she felt the best way is to blackmail them social media wise. I didn't think it was wise. I really don't think it was wise. And so you could have easily not made the winner. You could have easily been second. Think when people say, "Oh, she deserved the money," there's nobody.
No, I just say she deserved the money.
Hear it from me from here to the end of time, especially Big Brother Nigeria. Nobody deserves that money. There's nothing you.
So as Ahneeka make that statement, Phyna come see the podcast, and so she vex. As we all know, Phyna no fit see something wey talk about her, make she pass by. She must respond to every negative thing wey they talk about her for internet. So she come across say after dem don mumu themselves finish, run the agora mouth finish, dem go come set ring light, dey form new leaf. Good radiance to Banyabish, stagnant peeps. So after Phyna come out to come respond to her, and so fans start to attack Phyna. The first person say na she be the original Gora mouth, na evidence full Twitter. Ahneeka mouth clean, no insult. Come put laughing emoji. Besides, Ahneeka dey even talk the thing. She no insult Phyna in any way for there. One single insultive word the girl no use for that podcast. Someone come say a closed mouth is a closed destiny. Phyna did well speaking up, and that yielded good result. Phyna is always right button. Wetin be the good result? Say she go Maldives, na be the good result, or say she collect Pepsi, or say she collect unique soup. Sometimes make una dey think ahead. In as much as yes, the way Multichoice take handle the thing wey they no give her everything, e no good. But the way Phyna too take handle the thing, e no still make sense. Another person come say, what makes Ahneeka stagnant? Is it because she doesn't rank on social media like Phyna does? Though they should all mind their business and allow only fans to say their 2 cents. Come put laughing emoji. I go see the reason why be say every of her colleague, none of them gree shook mouth for this Multichoice matter with Phyna, because most of them they won't grow their career for acting. They won't grow their career more than the Big Brother show. So if you know say you need something bigger, you suppose calm down. If you try to do something with person where they higher than you, now small they say do not be by gra. The other day she come out come complain say Quidax never still give her the one BTC where we say she dey fight for sense. And when I talk and say that one BTC go enter voicemail last, I didn't mean she know she will collect the 13 million. Then tell make her agreement with Multichoice say abeg, since I won't collect the 13 million, make una give me show for this thing. Make una forgive me for the way I take run my mouth for the whole this thing, so that una go help me push out my movie for Multichoice. But who knows, as Phyna and her fans they tell her to say she did bigger than everybody. Let her continue. Una take care, una bye.